Administrative law is the branch of law that governs the actions, powers, and functions of administrative authorities, government agencies, and officials. It tells us how government bodies should act, what powers they have, and how those powers are controlled to protect citizens. Some well-known jurists have explained it as, according to Ivor Jennings, administrative law deals with the organization, powers, and duties of administrative authorities. According to A.V. Dicey, it relates to the legal principles governing the actions of state officials. 2. Nature of administrative law, its characteristics. Administrative law has the following important features. I. It is a branch of public law. It deals with relations between the government and citizens, not between private individuals. 2. It is concerned with government powers. It explains what powers are given to administrative authorities and how those powers should be used. 3. It controls misuse of power. Administrative law ensures that authorities do not act arbitrarily or unfairly. 4. It is flexible and developing. Unlike rigid laws, administrative law keeps changing according to social needs and government functions. It ensures rule of law. It ensures that no one, including the government, is above the law. 6. It provides remedies. If a citizen's rights are violated by authorities, administrative law provides remedies through courts or tribunals. 3. Scope of administrative law, what it covers. The scope of administrative law is very wide. It includes the following. I. Delegated legislation. Parliament gives power to administrative authorities to make rules and regulations. Administrative law checks whether such rules are valid. 2. Administrative functions. It covers how government departments work in areas like education, health, transport, taxation, etc. 3. Judicial control of administrative actions. Courts supervise administrative actions through writs like mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, etc.